Hey there, it's Kaylee. In this video, we're going to do an example using number lines, negative numbers, and what we know about opposites. Let's go. In this problem, we're going to choose which of these statements is true for the points on the number line. The first one, is A greater than C? Well, C is to the right of A, so that alone tells us that C is greater than A. So no. In fact, we can write the true inequality as C is greater than A. Now the next one says negative C is less than negative B. What do these negative signs mean again? That's right, the negative sign just means opposite. So this statement is saying the opposite of C is less than the opposite of B. Is that true? Well, if C is over here at 3, then the opposite of C is what? Yeah, it's negative 3. And if B is at negative 1, then what is the opposite of B? Remember, this is like saying what is the opposite of the opposite? So the opposite of negative 1 would be positive 1. Is the opposite of C smaller than the opposite of B? Well, yes, B is to the right of C. This is true. Now, is B greater than negative C? Remember, negative C is just the opposite of C, and it's over here at negative 3. Is B greater than negative 3? Yes. How do we know? Because B is closer to 0 and to the right of negative C. Great. Now for this last one. Is A greater than 0? Point A is over here to the left of 0. That means A is a negative number. So A is not greater than 0. And we can write the true inequality as A is less than 0. So here again, we have a number line and we're going to determine if these statements are true or false. So the first one says A, and then what does that symbol mean? Yeah, it means greater than or equal to. So A is greater than or equal to negative C. And we know negative just means opposite. So if C is here at 3, then the opposite of C is here at negative 3. So is A greater than or equal to negative C? Yeah, they're equal, and this is true. The next one says negative C, which we know is over here at negative 3, is greater than negative B. Where is the opposite of B on the number line? Well, if B is at 1, then the opposite of B is at negative 1. So is it true that negative C is greater than negative B? Nope, B is to the right of C, so this is false. In fact, the opposite of C is less than the opposite of B. How about this last one? It says the opposite of B is less than or equal to negative 1. Is this true? Well, remember, the opposite of B is up here on our number line at negative 1. So that tells us they are equal. So this statement is true. Amazing work learning about negative numbers and opposites. Now you're ready to do some practice on your own by playing the game. If you get stuck, come back and watch these videos again. Have fun, and remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey.